Good morning, students. So today we will begin chapter 18, capital letters and punctuation marks. Okay. So we will learn capital letters and punctuation marks. So these things are very important in English grammar, either in writing or speaking. Because using these punctuation marks, we are able to express our thoughts and ideas clearly and with a feeling. Okay, so let's try to understand it better so that we may be able to more effective in speaking or in writing. Okay, so these are the punctuation marks. Okay, full stop, that is pointed as a dot. Okay, and question mark, you all know it, question mark, then comma, then exclamation mark, then apostrophe. Okay, rest comma is put apostrophe. Okay, these are the few punctuation marks. Okay, and we will discuss one by one where and how to use all these things. Okay, so first of all, let's see capital letters. Okay, capital letters are always written in the beginning of a sentence. Whenever you write in a writing skill, okay, you start with a capital letter at the beginning of a sentence, not everywhere. Okay, at the beginning of the sentence, there should be starting with a capital letter. Okay, then all the proper nouns. Okay, all the proper nouns are also written with the beginning with a capital letter. Okay, and some headings वगैरह, the names of books, the names of poems, essay, a play, all those things when we write as a heading or when we specify, we should write all these things beginning with a capital letter. Okay, so these are the things. Okay, then now let's see punctuation marks of this one by one. Okay, full stop, that is called Purn Viram. Okay, Purn Viram, and this is put after every sentence. Okay, after every sentence a full stop is put, then the next sentence proceeds. Okay, हर एक सेंटेंस के बाद फुल स्टॉप होता है और उसके बाद ही अगला सेंटेंस हम शुरुआत करते हैं. ओके, सो रिमेंबर इट. देन क्वेश्चन मार्क. ओके, क्वेश्चन मार्क, whenever any question is asked, okay, or yes, asked, you put a question mark. Okay, so then comma is used to separate the names and the things. Okay, comma is used to separate the names or the things one by one. Okay, and comma is used to pause just as a short break. Okay, we don't speak continuously. Okay, we make some break or we stop in between. Okay, as a comma, that is called comma. Okay, and while writing also you have to use this like Ram, Mohan, Sohan. If you are writing continuous name, then you put after one name then comma, after one name then comma, and the last name before the last name you add and, then you write and. Okay, I will show it here how you have to write it. Okay, then exclamation mark, when we are expressing our certain feelings, just like anger, sorrow, joy, all these things are expressed, then we use exclamation mark. Okay, and apostrophe denotes the belonging or possession. Okay, this is called a rest comma. Okay, rest comma. It is a comma with comma and apostrophe. It is just opposite. It is put down and it is put up. Okay. So now let us see comma. I already explained. Okay, comma is used to sorry. Full stop is clear and question mark is clear and comma. Let's see. Okay, comma. Just like if you are writing a sentence. Okay, Ram, Mohan, Sohan, like this. Okay, Ram, Mohan, Sohan, and Syam. Syam. You put full stop. Okay. Just look at here. I have written this continuous name, but I have separated these things. Okay. After Ram, I put, after Mohan, I have put comma, and after Sohan, I did not put comma because I have added with a and okay, I have added and. Take last before the last word, you have to add and write it last name, then put full stop. Okay, this way. Okay. Then when you use comma, then we make a little pause while speaking. Okay, or while reading. Okay. So this is what comma is used. Okay. Then exclamation mark. You know, yesterday also I have given some examples in yesterday's video. Okay, that is when we express our certain feeling, emotion, sorrows, all these things used when it is put to exclamation mark. Okay, then apostrophe. Okay, apostrophe. Let's see apostrophe. My dog's name is Sarah. Sarah. Okay. So here look at my dog's name is Sarah. So in dogs, in dog I have put apostrophe s. Okay. This one is called apostrophe s. Apostrophe you have to put up. It is called rest mark, rest comma. Okay. This means kutta ka. Okay. Is ka. In Hindi it is called ka. मेरा कुत्ता का नाम है सेरा. Like this. Okay. And this denotes the possession or belongings. Okay. And while you use in and when any noun ends with yes, and you have to make it apostrophe, and you have to use apostrophe, then that time you have to use after yes. Okay, after yes, when the things are when the nouns or objects names are used the ends with a yes, then you have to use after yes. That is look at here. James' children went to the park. James' children went to the Park. Look at here, James. I have written here James. Okay, James. Its name is ending with S. So you have to put here after S. Okay, James. Okay, after S you have to put apostrophe. That means James का बच्चे पार्क में गए. Okay, so this way you have to use it. And so this is the what capital letters and punctuation marks. Okay, this is what about these punctuation marks. I hope you understand about this. And now you have to do the exercises. Okay, you have to do the exercises. And first exercises, look at what is there. Okay, first exercise is capitalize and rewrite the following sentences. Okay, so exercise, look at. I will tell one question of each exercise. Okay, first number, what is written? Exercise A. Okay, this is exercise A, and written here is so wrote the famous fable like the fox and the grapes. The fox and the grapes. Okay, here you have to capitalize the words which should be supposed to be written. Okay, see, look at here, everything is written in small letter. Okay, so wherever it is required you have to put capital letter. Okay, just for here, look at Aesop is a name. Okay, then you have to write A capital, then you write down like this: Aesop wrote the famous fable. Okay, famous fable like. Okay, then the fox and the grapes. Here you put this one, the fox and the grapes, like this. Okay, then exercise number, and rest you have to do like same. Okay, you have to capitalize all the sentence wherever it is required. Okay, then exercise number, where is, okay, exercise number B, insert full stop, question mark and exclamation mark. Okay, you have to write you have to put punctuation mark, full stop, question mark and exclamation marks. Okay, for example, exercise number B. Okay, like, do you play football? Do you play football? See here, question, no exclamation mark is given there, so you have to put wherever it is required. Okay, punctuation mark. Okay, So it is, when you read this sentence, it is already, it is clear that it is a question sentence. Okay, so you just put here, do you play football? Do you play football? Question mark. Okay, at the end of the sentence. Okay, then what a lovely movie. What a lovely movie. The next number, that is what a lovely movie. What a lovely movie. So here also there is no punctuation mark. So you have to insert wherever it is required. Okay. What? It is an exclamation. Okay. So put here exclamation mark. Then here full stop. Okay. What a lovely movie. Okay. In this way you have to make rest of the sentences. Okay. Then the polka dot. Okay, for today's you complete exercise number A and exercise number B. Okay, and rest of the exercises you try. I will later on I will give the answers of all the exercises. Okay, so thank you and God bless you.